In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an Excel file into a PowerPoint presentation. If you've ever needed to showcase your data from Excel directly within a PowerPoint slide, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step to ensure you can incorporate your Excel work seamlessly. Let's get started by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have your desired PowerPoint presentation open and ready to modify. Once your presentation is up, you'll want to navigate to the slide where you plan to insert your Excel file. Now look towards the top of the screen and find the Insert tab. This menu is where you'll find a variety of options to add different elements to your slide. Click on the Insert tab to reveal these options. Next, under the text section, you'll notice a button labeled Object. Clicking this button allows you to add something new into your presentation beyond text or images. With the object window open, you will see different options for creating or inserting objects. For this task, you'll want to choose Create from File. This tells PowerPoint that you plan to insert a file that's already been created outside of this application, in this case your Excel spreadsheet. Now it's time to browse your computer for the Excel file you want to insert. Clicking on the Browse button will open a File Explorer window, allowing you to navigate to the location where your Excel file is saved. Select the desired file and click Insert. Before finalizing your choice, you'll see an option to Display as Icon. By checking this box, the Excel file will appear as an icon on your slide rather than directly displaying its contents. This option is useful when you want to maintain a clean look for your presentation, or if your Excel file is particularly large and wouldn't fit nicely within a slide. If you choose not to display as an icon, the Excel content will show directly on your slide, so pick whichever option best suits your needs. Once you are satisfied with your selections, go ahead and click OK to complete the insertion. You'll now find your Excel file embedded in the PowerPoint slide. The file itself remains a separate document on your computer, but you've created a convenient link within PowerPoint for easy access during your presentation. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to insert an Excel file into a PowerPoint presentation. Whether you choose to display as an icon or show the data directly, you've now got a professional looking presentation with all your data at your fingertips. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit this video anytime for a refresher. Happy presenting!